Hello. Welcome to your daily English practice. Today, we will learn useful sentences in the simple present tense. This tense is used to talk about habits, routines, general truths, and facts. We will practice sentences for beginners. We prefer discussing ideas before making decisions. We suggest trying new approaches for better results. We feel motivated when we work together. Using they in simple present tense. Beginner sentences. They go to school every day. They play cricket in the evening. They eat lunch together. They read books on weekends. They watch cartoons after homework. They like chocolate. Intermediate sentences. They usually arrive early at work. They always complete their assignments on time. They sometimes go for morning walks. They rarely miss their classes. They often help each other in studies. They enjoy listening to music during travel. Expert sentences. They believe that patience brings success. They notice the small things that make a difference. They understand the challenges of teamwork. They prefer reading over watching television. They suggest trying innovative solutions. They feel proud when they achieve their goals. Using he in simple present tense beginner sentences. He eats breakfast at 8 a.m. He plays football every day. He reads a book in the evening. He drinks water after jogging. He goes to school by bus. He likes ice cream. Intermediate sentences. He usually wakes up early in the morning. He always finishes his homework before dinner. He sometimes watches movies at night. He rarely misses his classes. He often helps his friends with studies. He enjoys listening to music while working. Advanced/expert sentences. He believes that discipline is the key to success. He notices small mistakes that others ignore. He understands the importance of planning. He prefers reading over watching TV. He suggests practicing daily to improve skills. He feels confident when he speaks English. Using she in simple present tense. Beginner sentences. She eats breakfast at 7 a.m. She plays tennis every day. She reads novels in the evening. She drinks milk in the morning. She goes to school by bicycle. She likes chocolate. Great job today. You have practiced simple present tense sentences using I, we, they, he, she, and it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these sentences in your daily life, speak with friends, and notice how easy it becomes over time. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. Thank you for joining today's session. See you in the next episode for more fun and useful English practice. Stay confident, stay curious, and keep learning. Goodbye.